Guys, it's the start of the year. I wanted to do something simple. We have a lot of new subscribers, so something that's easy, simple, but very delicious, and most of all, pain-free, and that's going to be a shrimp fried rice. To that, we're going to add a Korean banchan and some delicious sausages as well. It's going to be a full meal, it's going to be a complete meal, and it's going to be a simple one, but one to give you the confidence to cook all year. You guys ready? Let's start.
I recall Central Park and fall. Not the changing.
Alright, and here's what we're working with today. Zucchini, carrot, onion, spring onion, and shrimp. I'm so addicted to shrimp. 1 arm's length, and most importantly, I'm using green and white. And this spring onion is the thing that gives it all the flavor. Then we're going to just use half an onion. Finely dice these, cut some horizontal lines. And then we have a Korean zucchini. It's called ehobak. Oh, it looks so cute, huh? We're going to measure up to the second crease in your pointer finger. And a cut right around there. And feel free to use your local zucchini. No need to get the Korean kind. They taste almost the same. Slight difference, but no difference. We're gonna just cut these up into pieces. All right. Same thing with the carrot. We're gonna measure around 2 fingers in here, and then turn them into small pieces. Just take off their heads, all the way up to their tail. Knife through the back, straight down the back, and then just take out its digestion tract, because nobody wants to eat a poo-poo tract. For about 4 of them, I'm going to chop them into pieces. And I like to do this so the shrimp gets mixed through the rice and I can't easily pick them out and eat all of them in the first bite. And then we'll keep 2 whole. A little bit of salt, a few shakes of black and pepper to season them. Give them a little mix. All right, now we're ready. Then we're going to put some oil into the frying pan, and we're going to scramble 1 egg. And I like to cook the egg separately. That way the rice and the egg don't become one. And as soon as it goes in, mix it around. Looks good to me. Put it aside. Clean out the pan. Put it on a medium-high now. Oil in the pan. Good amount. Let's get the spring onions in. And this is what you want. You see all that sizzling and that dancing together? And once you start to smell that spring onion, we'll put the onions in, our zucchini and our carrots in. We'll give this a stir. And once the onions turn translucent, let's put in the shrimp. We almost forgot one. Bloop. And once the shrimp has turned orange, put in our scrambled eggs back in. Good. Then we're going to put in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. All right. We use 1.5 cups of rice. Get that rice in there. Mix this around. And then 1 tablespoon of soy sauce in. Mix this around. Blend this in well, guys. Oh yeah, looks good to me. We'll turn off the heat. If you need a little bit of salt, you can do a few shakes and a couple turns of black pepper. Put those 2 big shrimp pieces on top. Equal it out. Oh, that looks great. Put a little bit of color contrast on top. Maybe we hit it with a little bit more. All right. And guys, here is your delicious shrimp fried rice. Now, and guys, who knows what this is? If you've had kimbap before, you've probably seen the yellow thing. And this is Korean pickled radish. It's absolutely delicious. Take a bite. A little bit of sweetness, a little bit tangy, a little bit of vinegar, and a good complement for like fried rice. So you can just eat it like this, actually, together. But I'm going to also show you how you can dress this into something a little bit even more tastier. What you want to do, we're going to empty the water out of this. Yep, and we're going to give them a squeeze. These are actually one of the harder ones to squeeze because this is just radish. All right, and let's see how much Kool-Aid we popped out. Ooh, very nice. We'll throw this out. Chop this into moon-sized shapes. Cut these in half. All right. And then another 4-arm piece of spring onion. I'm going to just use the green part. Half a tablespoon of Korean red chili flakes. Put our spring onions inside. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. A touch of sesame seeds. Maybe 3 shakes. And a dab of sesame oil. If you want to add more, give it a taste and you can add more. Give it a mix together, everything. All right, and then that's how you transform it into a banchan like this. And finally, whenever I have fried rice, I need kind of like a meat dish to poke at. So I'm gonna keep it really simple. That looks about done. Turn off the heat. There it is. Look at those beautiful little sausages. Dang, looks good. Let's give it a taste. Let's give it a taste. Oh no, the shrimp. Shrimp fried rice is on point. Korean radish is on point. And sausage is on point. And guys, this fried rice recipe is so easy. If you haven't been cooking our recipes at home and just been watching eating potato chips on the couch, that ain't gonna cut it. I will be coming after you. Watch out.
Not a shame.